Hello again. This is Jeffini here with the Magic Card Deck kit. And what you have received in your card kit are 4 decks of cards and 4 booklets. 3 of these decks of cards are special and unique. In fact, the 4th one is as well. Today we're going to talk about each of these decks of cards briefly so you have an idea of what you've received. Now, these decks of cards all look pretty similar. This one's a bit different. And so what I've done is I've made sure I put a little marking on the top corner of each of my decks of cards so I know which deck of cards goes in which case. And if I'm looking for a particular deck, I can just look at those little letters there to have an idea. The first deck you've received is a Svengali deck. We'll talk about that. You have a stripper deck or wizard stripper deck. You also have a one-way deck. We'll talk about that first today. And then you've received a whole deck of very special cards. If you've already taken them out and looked at them, there are double backers, double facers, gaffed cards. There's also gag cards and fun cards. There's so many tricks you can do with the cards in this deck that I don't know if I can even make videos for all of them. Now, this deck, with all those funny looking cards, has the same back as this royal playing card deck. This essentially is a regular deck. These cards are used in combination with this deck. So let's talk first today about this regulation royal playing card deck. So go ahead and take that deck out and we'll take a look at that real quickly. You'll notice that this deck has a different design on the back of the cards than your Svengali deck or your Wizard Stripper deck. It basically is just a regular deck of cards. You certainly can look at it. It seems like a regular deck of cards. But as you'll discover when you read one of the books that you've got, this particular deck is actually a one-way deck. It's essentially not a marked deck, but a deck which helps you find or discover someone's card inside the deck. The way that's done is, if you'll look very carefully at the back of your deck, you'll see these little sort of teardrops all the way down have a shadow. They're shaded on one side. Now, the way I'm holding it, it's shaded on the left side. You'll notice that they are all shaded on one side. The interesting thing about that is, if you were to take one of these cards and just turn it around, now you'll notice the shading is on the left side or the other side. So if you were to take this card, in this case the Joker, put it inside the deck and start to look through the cards, you'll notice that all the cards have the shading on that side, and I just have to look right through the deck until I discover one card with the shading on the other side. And when I find that, I'll know that that is the chosen card. Simple. You can do that with one card. You can do that with 2 or 3 cards. And it's just a way to find a particular card in the deck. So that's the first deck we have.